Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix please wait few minutes before you try again Instagram. This kind of error occur when you try to log in and log out again and again Instagram. So without wasting any time, let's go to the solution. First of all, you have to close that. After closing that, what you have to do is you have to open settings. In settings, what you have to do is you have to scroll down and you have to look for apps or application manager. In apps or application manager, what you have to do, you have to scroll down and you have to search for Instagram. After searching Instagram, what you have to do is you have to click on Instagram. After clicking on Instagram, what you have to do is you have to search for storage and you have to click on that. After clicking on that, what you have to do, you have to clear the cache of your Instagram app and you have to check whether the problem has solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you can also go for clear the data, but I will recommend you to not do that. After doing all the things, then problem is still there. What you have to do is you have to uninstall your Instagram and you have to reinstall an updated version of the Instagram, because many problems are solved by the updated version of the Instagram. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do is as the problem is saying that you have to wait few minutes, so you have to wait not minutes but more than 2 or 3 hours, and you have to log in your account again. Then it will fix that error automatically. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.